Good day. Today, I would like to present our group project and information management. First of all, I would like to discuss the overview of our project. Annie's Vegetable Stall is a popular vegetable market that located in San Isidro, Goa, Camarines Sur. It has been in business for 18 years and is known for providing a wide variety of fresh products. Annie's Vegetable Stall is easy, accessible, and accept GCash payment. Annie's Vegetable Stall is open from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. You can contact them at 0947285337. The purpose of our project is to provide the community with fresh and high quality vegetables by offering a wide variety of products. Annie's aim to promote healthy eating habits and support a sustainable lifestyle. The stall is committed to sourcing its product from local farmers and suppliers, ensuring that customers have access to fresh, seasonal, and locally grown products. The importance of our project is lies on its contribution to the overall well-being of the community. By offering fresh and nutritious vegetables, the stall encourages people to incorporate more healthy options into their diets. This promotes better health outcomes, including improved immune function, increased energy levels, and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Why did you choose it? To help the stall improve the accessibility of each product, to promote the healthy eating habits, to help manage the quality and quantity of shelf of the product. A short discussion of our EDM or PDMs. The entity relationship diagram or ERD of vegetable stall would visually represent the various entities and relationships involved in the function of the vegetable stall. The EERD or PDM for vegetable stall provides visual representation of these entities and relationships involved in the function of stall, transaction, order, employee, vegetable, customer, vendor. It helps understand the data flow connection and dependencies within the system, aiding in the efficient management stall operations. The business roles of our project is business roles play a crucial role in defining the operation and process within a business. Let's discuss the business roles for transactions, orders, vegetables, employees, customers, and vendors in the vegetable stall. These business roles help maintain order efficiency and customer satisfaction within the vegetable stall. They ensure that transactions are accurately recorded, orders are fulfilled, vegetables are of high quality, employees are well managed, customers are served well, and vendors are reliable. Adhering to these rules contributes to the smooth functioning and success of the vegetable stall business. And now I'll show you how to create database. So first we will create database. Yung name po ng database namin is vegetable. So ito na po siya. And here, magagawa po tayo ng table. So let's say, customer. Customer. So, create table, customer. Name, partner, email, partner. Let's say 30. So, yung address, partner pa din po siya. Let's say 40. Yung contact number. Contact number is in. Say 11. 11. So, gawan po natin siya ng primary. Customer ID. Customer ID. customer ID, int, not null, primary key, increment. So, ito po. So, makikita niyo naman po na nakagawa po tayo ng table na name is customer. So, ito po. Ito na siya. And dito. Ito na po. So, maglalagay tayo ngayon ng values. Let's insert into customer name, email, address, and contact number. Values. So, let's say yung name niya is Ana. Email niya is Ana at gmail.com. So, yung address niya naman, let's say, Mabini, Goa. So, yung cellphone number niya is 787698. Insert into, so, let's try po. So, eto na po siya. Tignan po natin sa customer. So, nalagay na po natin si Ana dito sa values. Let's say, Borja. And contact number niya is 4543. So, ito na po. Subukan natin. So, ito po, nadagdag po siya. Sa customer po. Si Angeli is, ang customer ID niya is 2. Email address niya is angeli@gmail.com. Address niya naman is Borja. Contact number niya is 453632. So, let's create another po. Let's say, Igor. Sino ba to? Email niya is rigor@gmail.com. So, yung address niya po is Goa. So, Goa. Yung contact number niya is 454537. So, let's try. So, ito po, nadagdag po siya ulit sa customer. And let's create another one ulit. Alfred. Example lang po ito. Email is alfred@gmail.com. Yung address niya po is Tambal. So, contact number niya is 345627. Try po natin siya. So, ito po. Nakikita niyo po dito. So, may 4 na po tayong values dito. Si Ana, si Anjali, si Rigor, and si Alfredo. So, let's create another one po. Another example. Yung email niya po is albert@gmail.com. yung address niya is let's say Nakawan. So, yung contact number niya po is 43256. So, let's try it. Na-add po ba siya sa values natin? So, as you can see, na-add po ata siya. So, meron na po tayong 5 values dito. So, let's try select. So, select naman po yung gagawin natin. Select from customer. Or your address. Let's say, Nakawan. So, select natin. So, ito po yung i-delete. Try po natin gawin yung delete query. Let's try delete from customer where yung customer ID is. Where customer ID is equal to 3. Yes. So, nawala po si customer ID number 3. Since siya po yung i-delete natin. So, delete po ulit tayo. Delete from customer where customer ID is 1. Ilan? 1. 1 and 3. So, update po. Try po natin gawin yung update query. Update customer. Set for example, okay. Gmail.com. So, yung address po is address. Dalayan. Contact number. Contact number is 2345678. Where po customer ID is customer ID is 2. So, try po natin. So, updated na po siya. Updated na po si so, yun lang po. Thank you.